Welcome to the project demonstration of kinect driven autonomous robot with manual controlling and automating mode. So this project consists of mainly Raspberry Pi along with kinect model interfaced to the Raspberry Pi to get the visuals, and also based on that we are going to differentiate the three visuals directly. One is the kinect view. On your mobile phone you will get kinect view and normal color image view as well as depth view. So total three visuals can be monitored on this browser, and we can control the robot movement in manual mode: forward, backward, left, right, stop motion. And to control the robot we are using Arduino Uno board. So this is a Raspberry Pi. We have interfaced that to the kinect, and right, so these are the interfacing connections to the Raspberry Pi and to the Arduino Uno board. And so this is used to control the robot movement with the help of a L298 motor driver, and this is the LM2596 voltage regulator which is used to get 12 volts input from this battery pack and 5 volts DC output to provide the power supply throughout the input output modules of our project. Parallelly it is providing the around 1.5 ampere current, which is sufficient to drive the whole system along with the kinect 360 model. So coming to the battery pack, so here so one more feature is like in autonomous mode, so we can select the point A or point B. So we have stored some box images inside this, and so we'll show you a demonstration that. So when we select the point A to point B, right, so when we select the point A, then it will move forward till the point A, and once it will scan the room slowly, and then it will come back to the again home position. And from there, if you select the point B, so it will go there, it will scan over there and come back to the same home position. So these are the main features of this project, and the whole system, the robotic model driven by the 4-wheel drive. So totally 12 volt 30 rpm DC motors, 4 we are using. These two are in parallel and these two are in parallel, and set 1 connected to the L298 motor driver from this side, and from this side we can see these wires. And coming to the battery pack, we are using 12 volt 4 amp battery pack, which is rechargeable battery pack. So the very first step is, before demonstration of the project, we need to charge the battery pack. So for that, just connect the battery at this B slot, and on the power supply to the transformer, there we will get the light indication on the charging circuits. So it will take around 7 to 8 hours to be fully charged. Till the duration we should keep the battery under charging, and then after you can just disconnect this. So the very important step is battery power will be required more for demonstration of this one. If it is low, then we can't get the proper feeding from this kinect model. And the next step is on the hotspot in your mobile phone. So because to communicate the visuals and controlling the robot, we need a network. So the network is, we need to name the network Wi-Fi hotspot name as project 7173 without any space, without any capital letter. Password should be 123456789, and AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. After enabling these settings successfully, then we need to install the network analyzer application. So using that application we can get the IP address of our Raspberry Pi. So this is the application we need to install, network analyzer application, right? Okay, off the Wi-Fi, on the hotspots, and install this application. Now we can on the power supplies, the main switch, right? Wait till the Raspberry Pi initialized the OS properly. On successful installation of the operating system, we can see one device is connected in your mobile phone. That will be the Raspberry Pi name. So then it will start installation of the Raspberry Pi along with connect. It will make the connection initialization with kinect model, right? So you can see the one device is connected. So almost it will take around 30 seconds to establish the total connections between all the input output modules. So then meanwhile you can just go to network analyzer application, LAN scan, do the scan. So if we can get the visuals, and we can control this board from the laptop or tablet also, but all should be in same network. So if I on the hotspot in my mobile phone, then you need to connect the laptop to this mobile phone, and automatically the system will connect it to this mobile phone. Then do the LAN scan. In that, one is your if your laptop connected, you'll get your laptop IP address. One is our mobile phone, and this is going to be the our Raspberry Pi IP address. Just open that, okay, and at the end type :5000, right? This is very important. IP address should be connected from the get from the network analyzer application, and right now enter. Right, so these are the visuals slowly getting available from this depth images and the kinect view. So you can see this kinect view and depth view as well as normal view. Right, okay, and the forward, backward, left, right, as well as point A, point B. Now let us check on the floor. Right, so we are getting these visuals. Okay, so it's directly a normal view and depth view. After processing was done, these two we are getting kinect view. Stop. The left. Stop. Okay, so this is along with the kinect view and depth view and normal view. So let us check with the point A and point B movement. Now let us check with movement in autonomous mode. So this point is point A and point B. We have said that to check with the left side obstacle avoidance and the right side movement also. So now let us check with by pressing on A, so it will keep on moving forward. So it will take depth vision helping over here, we can see that. Right, so this is for the point A motion, and when we select the point B over here, then again stop over there and again based on the battery power, so it will take the distance traveling between that. Right, again.